In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check alt text in Screaming Frog. Alt text is the short description attached to images that helps screen readers describe visuals to users and gives search engines context about your content. Screaming Frog makes it quick to find images that are missing helpful descriptions or using text that's too long. Start by launching Screaming Frog on your device. Once it's open, type your website URL into the address bar at the top and click Start. You'll see the crawl progress update as pages are discovered and analyzed. For larger sites, this can take a bit of time, so let it run until it reaches 100% to make sure you capture all the images. When the crawl finishes, go to the top main window and click the Images tab. This view lists every image file found during the crawl, along with useful columns like the file path and any alt text Screaming Frog detected. Think of this as your master inventory of images on the site. To zero in on accessibility or SEO issues, use the filter dropdown at the top left of the Images pane. Choose Missing Alt Text to see images that have an IMG tag but no alt attribute at all. These images need attention because assistive technologies won't have anything to read. Next, select alt text over 100 characters to surface descriptions that may be too long. Long alt text can be cumbersome for users of screen readers and may signal that the description could be tightened to focus on what's essential. You can also select Missing Alt Attribute, which shows images where the alt code is completely absent from the HTML. Depending on your Screaming Frog version and site markup, you might see both Missing Alt Text and Missing Alt Attribute. Either way, they indicate that alt text isn't present and should be added, or, if the image is purely decorative, intentionally set as empty. If you spot an image without suitable alt text and want to find exactly where it appears, click the image URL in the top list. Then look to the bottom window pane and open the Image Details tab. Here, the From column lists the page or pages that embed that image, so you can go straight to the source in your CMS or codebase. The alt text column will show the current text for that instance, or it will be blank if none exists. That's all there is to it. By using the Images tab and targeted filters, you can quickly audit and prioritize fixes that improve accessibility, user experience, and search visibility.